In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at a new feature in Adobe Illustrator, which translates your texts for you. So I have a text here, and there are several options to go to the translate feature. So select your text. You can either use this contextual taskbar here, which if it isn't visible, you can go to window and then choose contextual taskbar, or you can choose type and then choose rewrite here. Now in this rewrite option, if we click this downward arrow, we can choose translate. Now it will give you an option to choose a language in which you want to translate, and there are quite a lot of languages. Just pick one you want to use, for example, Spanish, and then you can click generate. And as always, you get all these kinds of tips from Adobe when you're generating or doing something. And as you can see here, let me go to the properties, we have 3 variations. We have this one, then the second one is this, and the third one is this one. So you can choose which one is best for you, but you can also choose to have another language. Let's do Portuguese and then generate. And once again, you get 3 options and you choose which one you like best. But yeah, that's an easy way to translate your texts used in your designs in Adobe Illustrator. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.